The mic's like different sounding.
Yeah, it's a different headset.
Ah, I gotta turn you down now.
Am I too loud?
No, well, I mean, I usually have people on 3%, and I had you up on 10%. So
Oh,
maybe
really?
because your old mic.
Does it sound crap?
No, no, it's clear. It's like really clear.
It's really good.
Or did you buy a new one today?
This one got sent to me for review.
Oh, what is it?
It's from a company called EasySMX. It is this headphone costs, where are we? 24.99 USD.
It's actually not that bad.
It's got 19 positive reviews, 4.6
Yeah,
stars.
it's actually like really smooth sounding.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. Today I'm just going to be giving you my thoughts and opinions on a product that was sent over to me from EasySMX. This is their Cool 2000 gaming headset. So this headset retails for $24.99 USD. It was sent over to me for review and for me to check it out. And on their website, it had a lot of positive reviews. I hadn't actually heard of this particular brand before, but I was keen to check it out. So on first impressions, when I received these headphones, despite the package getting mangled up by our local post service somewhere along the way, the headphones survived. They come in some bubble wrap and they work perfectly. The headphones themselves have some nice cushioning on either ear cup. The microphone is flexible and can be bent around. You have some, blue LED elements that you can control with some buttons, so you can actually go ahead and turn them off, have it set to static, or you can have it cycle through. You've got a volume control here, a volume dial, and you've also got an option to disable the microphone with a switch. So when the microphone is turned on, you have a blue light here to show you that it is, and when you turn it off, the light turns off as well. So quite a handy little switch to have on a headphone that only costs about $25 US. As far as the flexibility, they are super flexible. They don't twist very much, so you can't really have it like twisting off one ear, but there is plenty of stretch in the headphone, so that it doesn't really matter what size head that you have, you should hopefully find that they're going to be quite comfortable. They are a corded headphones, so coming off this braided cable, you have a USB plug for the colors, that's it, and then you have a line in and a headphone jack, so you have two jacks there. There's no splitter cable included or a combo cable or anything like that, so if you want to use the microphone and the headphones, you have to have both options on your computer or on your laptop. You can go ahead and also use this on things like PlayStation, Xbox. I get a lot of questions in the comments asking me whether or not you can, and I have confirmed that you can use these with PlayStation or Xbox, obviously, and PC as well. So as far as the sound quality, sound seems really good. It is probably a little bit too distorted when you get pushing it to 100% volume, but overall the bass sounds quite good. You can hear everyone quite good, and the microphone is really surprising. I actually had a few different people listen to the playback after listening to myself speak onto the microphone, and everyone said it sounded really good. It seemed supernatural, and it didn't sound like I was losing too much quality through Discord. It sounded super good. So $25 US for a pair of gaming headphones. I mean, you get your value for money with this particular brand. As far as what they include in the box, it's just a user manual, nothing else in there. I think you do get a little card as well to say if you've got any feedback, or if you want to get a voucher, a $10 voucher, you can sign up to their website. And I think actually I've made a mistake. There is a combo cable. Sorry, so there is a combo cable. If you only have the one input on your laptop or on your console, you do have a combo cable. So you use the red cable for your mic and your green for your audio, so that way you can actually go ahead and still use the microphone. So my apologies, they do include a combo cable as well. So for $25, check out the EasySMX audio gaming headphones. I actually do recommend them. These are the Cool 2000 model, and you can go to their website. I'll leave a link on where to buy them down below. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, chuck it a like. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other future videos that I do this year. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.